It is a great privilege for me to serve as one of the resource people for the Buddhist retreat for Tibetan, Himalayan and Mongolian students. The 3 days of retreat here has been an incredible experience for me personally to witness such an incredibly talented and eager students from North America, from the United States of America and Canada. Over 100 students who have come here from Tibetan, Himalayan and Mongolian backgrounds to learn about their spiritual and cultural heritage, to see them deeply delving into this culture, they're finding their spiritual roots, exploring their spiritual roots so that they can well inform about their own tradition and through such knowledge enrich their own lives, but also to bring that in their own interactions with others and thereby make a greater contribution to the world at large as they go about interacting with the rest of the world. So it has been a true privilege to be part of this program, and I very much thank the coordinators, the Office of Tibet and the Dalai Lama Trust, as well as the Asian Classics, Geshe Tenzin and the others who have designed this program to foster this kind of education opportunity for the Tibetan and Mongolian and the Himalayan students. I myself, being a person from Himalayas, I do see the importance of introducing Tibetan Buddhism to the people from such traditionally Tibetan Buddhist areas, and I wish the program will continue and flourish and help many more students in the coming years. Thank you.